Sa video na ito, ang pag-aaralan natin ay multiplication of fractions, mixed numbers, and whole numbers gamit ang cancellation. Sa una nating halimbawa na 2/3 times 6/8, sasagutan natin ito sa pamamagitan ng cancellation. So, pag nag-cancel tayo, hinahanap natin ang common factor ng numerator at ng denominator. So, halimbawa, yung 2 at yung 8 may common factor. So, yung 2 divisible sa 2, yung 8 divisible sa 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Ang 6 at 3 ay mayroon ding common factor. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Ang 2 at ang 4 ay meron ding common factor. Ang 2 ang bago ng numerator, yung 4 ang bago ng denominator. So, yung 2 at yung 4 divisible sa 2. Yung 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yung 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, dahil wala na tayong mga common factors para sa numerators at denominators, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So, tandaan ha, multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Kaya ang final answer sa 2/3 times 6/8 ay 1/2. Ang cancellation ay maaari lang gawin sa numerators at denominators. Hindi maaaring mag-cancel ng parehong numerator at hindi maaaring mag-cancel ng parehong denominator. Kapag gumagamit ng cancellation, hindi na natin kailangang mag-reduce ng answer sa lowest term dahil ang answer ay naka-lowest term na. 1 and 2/4 times 1 and 1/4. So, dahil sila ay mixed fractions or mixed numbers, gagawin muna natin silang improper. So, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, 6/4. Copy the same denominator. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then copy the same denominators. So, gagamitin natin ngayon ang cancellation. Yung 6 at yung 4 may common factor which is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, yung 6/4 naging 3/2. Yung 5 at yung 4 wala nang common factor. Yung 5 at yung 2 wala na ring common factor. Yung 3 at yung 4 wala na ring common factor. So, we can now proceed with multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 4 is 8. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung 2 at yung 4 may common factor pa yan. Pero dahil pareho silang denominator, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-cancel. Uulitin ko, ang cancellation para lang sa numerator at denominator. Hindi pwedeng denominator at denominator. So, ang sagot natin ay, again, 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 4 is 8. Dahil ito ay improper fraction, gagawin pa natin siyang mixed number para sa final answer. 15 divided by 8. 15 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So, remainder 7. Yung 1 ang ating whole number. Yung remainder na 7 ang ating numerator. And yung 8 ang ating common denominator. So, yung 15/8 ay katumbas yan ng 1 and 7/8. So, this one is the final answer. So, last example natin is 1/8 times 16. So, kagaya ng nabanggit ko nung nakaraang video, ang lahat ng whole number ay merong imaginary denominator na 1. So, yung 16 meron niyang denominator na 1. So, 16 over 1. Katumbas nun, 16 pa din. So, pwede nating isolve to sa pamamagitan ng cancellation kung ang mga numerators at ang mga denominators ay may common factor. Halimbawa, yung 16 at yung 8 may common factor. Pareho silang divisible sa 8. So, 16 divided by 8 is, correct, 2. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So, meron na tayong 1 over 1. Yung 16 naging 2 over 1 kasi nag-cancel tayo. So, pwede na tayong mag-multiply kasi wala ng common factor bukod sa 1. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Dahil ito ay improper, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. So, the final answer is 2. So, i-check natin ang answer natin sa pamamagitan ng pag-solve ng 1/8 times 16 na walang cancellation. So, tandaan, ang 16 meron niyang imaginary na denominator which is 1. Pag nag-proceed tayo sa multiplication, walang cancellation, 1 times 16 is equal to 16. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 8. So, yung 16 divided by 8, 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract 0. So, 0 walang numerator, kaya walang remainder. So, the answer is 2. Pareho ang sagot na makukuha.